Hey, it's me again, main man Clifford. There's the Devil Scott. There's his girlfriend. We call her Momo because she's got two N's, but we call her Ginger at the same time because someone wrote a song about Ginger and... Wait, what is that dude? You need a dude who sings Ginger. Oh yeah, and there's... We call this Remy. Remy's here with us today. He's our Edelman. Oh, never mind. Okay, now we got Trent back. He's the one who sings Ginger. See? He's the one who sings it. So today we're gonna be there's gonna be a... I don't know why the fuck
you go like
so we're gonna...
Why is there white stuff in here?
because that's cocaine.
Why are you saying white shit? Are you trying to get leaked? Are you trying to have your girl try to do something to you today?
Yeah.
Can you two just... Dude, can you two just get close together, please? Like, at least?
The video!
Oh shit, I hope my girlfriend don't watch this.
What she did.
So... I'd be pissed. So... We're gonna be making a video. The Daredevil on Daredevil and the Bodyguard fighting today. These two are gonna be fighting. I don't know what. So yeah, those two are gonna be fighting today. So we're gonna be seeing who wins this battle. So, oh yeah. Plus one thing, I'm just saying we do have a sponsor. If you want to hear our sponsor's name, look us up, and it's Over High School. They're sponsoring us right now. Held us, I don't know, because I don't know. That's how you pin the goal down. She's gonna cry. Is she gonna cry? Is she gonna cry? Yeah, these two always play around. They're like, oh, we got a fight going on right now. So yeah, today we're gonna have a fight between this Daredevil and our Bodyguard. So you guys ready to get the show on?
Yep.
Alright, so we got Trent, we call him Red Man versus Stuntman. So it's gonna be the battle of the Bodyguard against him. So here we go. It looks like we're starting. Get back into the damn fight. Yeah, so these two are gonna be fighting. No, it looks like he's running away. These guys said he wanted me to do it against him, but I don't know if he wants to do it against me because he might get his ass whooped. See? Because he knows who the main man dude is. Yeah, he's just walking away. He's single. He's only 10 years old.
I'm not walking in the woods.
He's 7. She's 6.
No, I'm not. I'm 8.
Trent, are you single? He's
8.
single. She's 6.
He's 8. I'm
He's 8, I guess, so she's 7.
No,
Oh, it looks like... Oh, we can't see all... What's the Stuntman at? Stuntman went down and he just popped back up. You better run, Stuntman. So, Doug goes to his girlfriend. Hey, Stuntman, how about you go chase your girl around? So, she wants to marry Scott so bad. It's going to be awesome. So, if you want, leave likes, comments down if you want to see Stuntman and his girl kiss and hug.
I'm showing them your nose.
So, if you want, you can.
let's hug right now.
Oh, he's saying let's hug right now. So, you want to try to hug your own girl? Oh my god! They hugged.